Welcome to my channel, Nalia Chrissy. Ngayon, gawa naman tayo ng lechon kawali. Kasama pa rin ito sa handa ng fiesta. Nag-crave ng pagkain ng fiesta, ito nagluluto ako. Ito friends, nagpakulo na ako ng belly. Mahigit 1 kilo to. So, pinakuloan ko siya. The first water, I throw it away. And then, this is the second water. Ayan na yung inilalaga ko. Ilagyan ko siya ng lemongrass, cloves, mga 5 pieces, star anise, at saka cinnamon stick. Tingnan natin kung laga na ba siya. So, I have to stick this 10 minutes more. Then, pwede na siyang iprito. I will teach you how to cook a very crunchy lechon kawali. You put already papers here around para hindi tumilamsik yung oil. Drain this for about 5 minutes para hindi siya tumilamsik pagka piniprito. I'm going to use a very big frying pan. Merong mas maliit dito. Kaya lang, wala kasing help kasi Sunday. So, I don't know where they are. Hindi na ako naghalongkat. Going to use 2 liters of oil kasi deep fried nga. Painitin muna natin. Friends, tusuk-tusukin natin yung skin ng pork para it will cook totally until inside and crispy. I'll tell you the secret later. How to become very, very crispy. Friends, just wait. Pot dry first my meat with kitchen towel para hindi siya tumilamsik, guys. Para maalis lahat yung water. I have here clean water. Hindi siya tumunog, so it's not ready yet. Ready na rin to put this now here. Ready, guys? Kasi titilamsik na yan. Ito. So, para hindi siya mag-continue, mag-tilamsik, so we need to put ito na, guys. Narinig nyo yun? Crunchy. Look at that, guys. So yummy. I cannot wait. Guys, tingnan. I'm sorry. Narinig nyo yun, guys? Friends, narinig nyo yun? Tingnan mo naman yung crunchy ng lechon kawali ko. OMG! Narinig nyo yun? Alam nyo, paborito ito ng asawa ko. Noon, lagi ako nagluluto nito. I know, may cook. Mayroon kaming cook na nagluluto siya ng ganito palagi. Since nung heart attack yung asawa ko, it's been long time na hindi ako nagluto nito. Yung late father-in-law ko sa England, magaling magluto ng ganito. Kapag pumupunta kami sa England, nilulutuan kami ng ganito. Ang galing-galing niya magluto. Tingnan nyo, guys, kakainin ko talaga to. Narinig nyo, ha? Kainin ko talaga. Gagawa ko ng sausawa. Vinegar lang at saka maraming shallots. At saka garlic.